Abu Ali counts his donkeys. Abu Ali bought 9 donkeys at a fair. He rode on one donkey on the way back home, and the other donkeys followed him. After some time, Abu Ali thought, I must make sure that all the donkeys are there. He turned around and began to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no! Where is the number 9? Abu Ali cried. Of course, Abu was riding donkey number 9, but he did not realize that. He jumped off his donkey and counted them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, there were 9 again. Abu Ali was happy. He climbed on the donkey and started on his way home. After some time, he turned to count his donkeys again. Again, he could count only 8. Funny Abu. He saw his friend Musa. Musa was much smarter than Abu Ali. Musa, Abu Ali called out to him. Please help me. I have 9 donkeys, but when I sit on one and count, there are only 8. When I get down and count the last one, come back. Musa started laughing. I can see 10 donkeys, he said. The 10th donkey's name is Abu Ali. Musa laughed and went away. Abu Ali understood what had happened.
लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें।